Slaughterhouse is one of those things where I think it's good at all levels. Low, high, medium, doesn't matter. It looks like they put a little board here. River wide wood.
There's multiple strainers.
Pinball, large strainers. River left.
Football field. Stein Bridge.
We'll just keep our eyes open the rest of the way. I wouldn't know those rapids anyway.
I only know like 4 of these rapids.
Coming into entrance, there's apparently river wide strainer down here. We did scout it. There it was. Woo! That's easy to get by. That was good.
Far right?
We ran it, yeah.
Okay.
Just be on your toes coming into it because there's a reactionary.
I know who you are.
Yeah.
I know who you are. I watch your YouTube.
Oh, okay. It's gonna.
No, wait. I know Wade.
Yeah, it's gonna knock you center.
Okay.
But don't panic.
Okay.
And then there's one little kind of butt scoop, but we didn't even slow down. We just went right over it.
Sure, Wade.
Yeah, man.
The videos.
Oh, thank you. Woo! Oh, what timing! There it was. A little over 2,000 on the Slaughterhouse gauge. Everything was good to go. A few little trees here and there, but I think that was all fine. Absolutely love this river. It all flows, by the way. This is one of the better Colorado runs out there, especially if you're kind of like a little boofing and freestyling action and creek boats anyway. So yeah, let's on to the next run.